Today, it's all about the basics, gaining yoga confidence one basic pose at a time. Hi, I'm Rosemary from You Are Right on Time, and this is Take 5 Yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga, perfect for beginners and gentle yogis. Are you ready to begin your midlife yoga journey? Come on, let's get started. In our last episode of Basic Poses, we learned about the 6 directions of movement, and we moved our neck in all those directions. Today, we do the same thing with the spine. So our first movement is forward and back, flexion and extension. And I'll turn to the side so you can see me a little bit better. The pose that we're doing is called cat-cow. To do cow pose, we come forward with our chest in a proud heart, a little bit of an arch in the lower back, and maybe the chin lifts just slightly. To do cat pose, we round the spine, tucking down the chin, curling in the navel. Let's try that again. We inhale into cow, coming forward with a proud heart. We exhale, round the spine, tuck the chin, pulling in the navel. I'll face you, so we'll try it again. Let's do it 2 more times. Inhale, proud heart, lifting the chin. Exhale, curl the spine, tuck the chin, pull in the navel. Inhale, once more, proud heart. Exhale, curl the spine. And coming back to center. Now placing the hands on your shoulders to move the spine in a lateral direction, side to side. So inhale, and as you exhale, lowering your elbow toward your waist. If it doesn't reach all the way, that's just fine. Coming back up to center, lowering your elbow to the opposite side. Coming back. Let's just try that from side to side. Moving the spine in a lateral direction. And once more to each side. And coming back to center. The last 2 directions of movement are rotations. I invite you to bring your hands up to heart center. Your fingertips are touching. Take a breath here. Sit up nice and tall. And as you exhale, turn to look over your shoulder, but this time you're bringing your elbow back behind you. Maybe it touches the chair, but it doesn't have to. Think about this twist, not just in the neck, but it's the shoulders, it's the heart. All of you coming into that twist, pulling in at the navel, taking a breath. And as you exhale, coming back to center, let's try it on the other side. Inhale, and as you exhale, twisting in the other direction, the heart, the shoulders, the neck, the chin, all turning to look over your shoulder. And coming back to center, just do that a few times, turning to one side, coming back, turning to the other, and notice how that feels in your spine. And coming back to center. And again, if you move your spine in those 6 directions every day, it will really help to alleviate the stiffness and some of the tension that we carry in our spine and in our back. And that's it. Take 5 yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. To learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. And until then, I wish you namaste and peace.